wits quackers. Yeah.
How does this game work?
No!
How does this game work?
I need the code.
This person's name is Cockslap. Are you kidding me? Get that shit out of here.
What's the problem?
Who the hell is Cockslap? Wait, so who is who?
I'm Bean.
God
No,
damn,
no.
that brightness is low. What? How do I fix this?
Who is who?
I'm
I am
Underbelly.
being.
I'm Cockslap. Mock.
These
I
motherfuckers
can
got
see
their
Evan.
camera
Evan, I'm
on.
looking at you, Evan.
Yo!
For
Dude,
my $2
I need-
ass computer, I don't got a camera
Oh
on
my
it.
god.
Unless y'all want to see my dick out, I ain't got it on camera.
Hey,
Oh my god. I mean, I think that might be the move.
We all in?
we're starting.
Look, I don't think you said anything that bad. I haven't.
Evan, we can't even hear what you're saying right now.
I don't condone anything that you guys say. All right.
Okay.
Oh,
Dude, I don't know what to do.
If you're an alien,
I
try to
did.
not be an alien.
Wait, has it told us if we were aliens or not?
Like, I'm an alien.
Let's see, we
Probably
played-
will.
Please don't. It's probably Shmave.
Okay, so it says I'm an alien.
No.
True.
Oh,
Here's the
fuck.
proof.
We hit a button and we vote off the aliens.
You got 18 minutes to
We have
figure it
eight.
out.
Alright, let's vote for
To be honest,
Slaw.
nerds,
Dude, what the hell? I'm not the alien.
It's
Why would you want to vote me off? I think this guy's the alien.
We're supposed to do
Push it.
games.
I want to push the button. Let me
don't
push the
trust
button.
me.
No.
Don't push the button. Sloth, pick a
That's
game.
button.
Okay, and if you're the alien, you can hack people. Just keep that in mind.
Okay. Hacker man, that's what they call me.
Mark, pick a game.
What do I do?
Pick people.
Pick a game.
I just did. I was picking the participants.
Button.
Fuck the
Running out of time.
Shoot the waiter in the mouth. Tell him eat a dick.
Uh-oh. Cockslap is a fucking alien.
No, it's me. It's me. It's not.
Cockslap is the alien.
I'm not the alien.
I'm
It's
voting for
Bean.
Bean.
Go off your ability.
It's Bean.
Cockslap is the
Vote.
alien.
I'm not the
Vote
alien. I would show.
for Bean.
Think about who you're talking
I'm
to.
not the alien.
Think I would
Cockslap
show off
is
my
the alien.
abilities.
In any instant, Chris goes, I'm showing off my abilities.
See?
Cockslap
pushed the
is the
button?
alien.
But you're gonna feel real dumb when you find out.
Schmuck is the captain.
How about Cockslap?
It looks like him in real life too.
Why did he press the button?
Hey,
Shmave,
get
why did
Cockslap
you
out of
press the
here.
Shmave, who is it?
Yeah. And one more person.
Who do you think,
I
Shmave?
think it's.
Don't
Dude, I was the captain. What are you doing?
Don't vote yes.
Yeah.
Don't vote yes.
Yeah.
Get him out of here. I don't want
Yeah. Get the fuck out of here.
Vote yes.
I missed.
to my shit. Get up on
We
Oh.
know Cockslap is an
Alien
I
alien.
for
am
the
not an
win.
alien.
Oh, yeah,
I'm
you're
not
back
an
to
alien.
Cockslap is an alien.
Uh-huh, yeah.
It fits so well because he's like Spock. We enter,
Running out of time.
Right.
Heading
on.
to the writing pod.
Pull
Spock was
people
so-
in there.
He was so confident.
Alright, I'm gonna bring my an old favorite back, Cockslap.
It's not
And,
me.
and
It's not me.
Cockslap is an
It's not
alien.
me.
I'm not an
It's
alien.
good. I'm not an alien.
It might be
Oh.
Will.
Yeah, it's exactly what an alien.
Uh-oh.
is.
Answer this secret question. If you don't believe me on this, then you're the alien.
Oh yeah, you're
Take a
one
look-
an alien.
take a
Only
look
an
in the
alien make that
mirror.
kind of demand, bro.
Uh-huh.
Tell me I wouldn't say that. Tell me I wouldn't say that.
Kidding me?
Dang it, why does it look
It's
different?
Cockslap.
Why does it look different?
It's
That's the only
Cockslap.
one that makes sense.
No.
Clint and I were
Exactly. That's the
on a
problem.
different wavelength with the
You know
same
you don't
wavelength.
wake up in the
So then they're
morning.
both aliens. Gator and Jim are both aliens.
No.
Every human wakes up and just comes.
This is ridiculous.
That's it, man.
What?
I'm serious.
Somebody push the button.
Get
Don't
cock
vote
slap
me.
out of here.
Sloth, no.
I hate that guy.
Sloth, we were friends.
Get cock slap out of here, Mark. Yes, sir.
Why? Why? It's
Hey,
Gator.
get him up
Yeah,
on
get
out of here.
cock slap out
Don't
of here.
vote
Bean,
yes.
get that fucker out of
Yeah,
here.
Don't vote
Get
yes.
get cock slap out of here, dude. You
Yeah.
Bye.
You guys are so dumb.
Oh,
It's
what's
not
Bean
me.
doing? Why
Good,
did you throw Bean
Reddit.
in there?
You guys are so dumb.
Bean didn't even get to
I
play the
answered
game.
correctly both times.
Beat the game.
What is your problem?
All along.
Hey, we got one of them. It's
You
all
gotta
right.
be kidding
Oh,
me.
shit.
Whoa.
No, wait. Oh, we lose. That sucks.
We're playing again because you guys are dumb.
Okay, I don't know how this game works, so.
Wait, who's
Okay, we
underbelly?
know how it works now. So we're
Okay,
good to
then we
go.
can actually have fun this time.
Okay,
We can
who's,
only
Who's-
leave. Well, I'm just hitting same players. We're
Well, I
playing
just
it.
left.
You're fucking retarded.
Are you serious, bro?
who's underbelly?
We can request a question this time.
I'm
You can get any
pissed.
questions?
I'm pissed.
Who's
I don't trust
underbelly?
anybody.
It's Chris.
I don't trust anybody.
Chris,
Underbelly is Will.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it is?
Shut up.
Dude.
who's Will?
Oh, shut up, Chris, while I'm shoveling up yours.
Ah, you
What?
shut it. Kip.
You are alien.
I'm gonna do you a quick favor.
You
Go ahead
are
and vote.
homo.
Hey,
Gosh.
the
you
button.
too, Clint?
Push the button, I know.
Okay, I will push the button.
Hurry up,
No,
cock
I don't-
slap.
I
How
think
do
I know
push
who's
the
the
button?
alien. I think I know
Damn,
who
why
the
is
alien
Alien having such long trouble taking the button, bro?
I don't want to
I
be
swear to God, there must be like
around
a
the
code
room.
I'm gonna
he has
push
to
the
hack.
button. I'm gonna push the button.
Here
I know who
is
it
an
is.
alien.
I know who it is.
Can we
Push
Alright,
that
Chris, go ahead and push the button.
Sweet.
Captain Cox
You guys are
left.
gonna regret your words pretty soon.
Oh shit.
Okay, so cock slap is an
I'm
alien.
putting everybody who went against me.
Huh!
That's not how this game works, I don't think.
Oh yes, it is.
I don't know.
That would be Schmuck, Gator, and Sloth.
I want to answer.
All right, what's this game?
Oh, it's gotta be Shmave. He's taking too long.
You know, as a man who fuck.
Oh God.
None of these people hunt.
Slightly agree, strongly agree, strongly disagree.
You know, I got some experience in the
Sloth.
kitchen.
It's
Yeah,
Sloth.
it's Gator.
Sloth.
I'm pretty sure
All
it's
right,
Right.
how do I vote for me? I just want to come.
The fuck you gonna vote for me?
It's Sloth.
Taxidermy
Drill.
slightly fake, and plenty of
Yeah.
people do it.
Should have put Jib in there. Why did I put Jib in there?
What were you thinking,
Sleeper.
man?
I think it's
I
Clinton
literally
Mark.
told you I was there.
Oh, I know who it is.
Jib and Sloth.
What?
Man, why do y'all think I'm the alien, bro?
Yep, it's definitely them.
Mark's an alien.
It's Jib and
Dude,
Sloth.
that's not true. Clint, you said
No,
you were
they're
alien
Mark's
at the beginning of the
guys.
Now
game.
they're trying to play
I'm
it
an
off.
alien.
Put
Dude, I'm a
33
highly
alien.
intoxicated.
Schmuck,
You
put
think I can read?
Oh fuck!
Come on, Schmuck.
I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
You gotta hurry that along.
Hurry. Bean.
Why would you give up Keanu Reeves, dude?
What do you guys
Keanu
think of that?
Reeves.
Dude, wholesome
Beyonce.
Reddit
You got
meme. Are you
choices?
kidding me?
Give up Beyonce.
When you guys
Dude,
type
they-
Beyonce, who
Bro.
uses?
It's
Dude,
I
why
didn't
would
know
you
we
wanna
were gonna
give
give
up
up
wholesome memes,
Keanu
bro?
Reeves.
Clinton
What the
Sloth.
freak?
Are you
Did you read
kidding
the
me?
Did you read the
Man,
thing?
What?
You should have known.
Accent on Beyonce from Sloth.
It's pretty obvious you
It's
don't
Clinton
give up
Mark.
Keanu Reeves.
What?
Jib and
It's
Sloth.
not me.
Yes, it is.
I'm actually not an alien.
That's what an alien would say.
Just say
I'm the
that.
captain.
God.
Uh-oh.
Revenge time.
Riding pod. Let's see who's been tested.
Better hurry up. Alien.
This guy,
He's taking his time. He's an alien.
and this guy. Yeah, we're
Yes,
starting
sir.
that test. Cock slap or underbelly hasn't
Hey
been
Gator,
tested.
no one else can hear us. Are you an alien?
So I'm the last movie.
The last movie. Uh-oh. If it doesn't say anything about a movie, we know Max is an alien.
Just to clarify, I'm not an alien.
Max and cock slap.
You're very.
I
Why you
don't know
just...
what-
Nah,
Jib.
it's definitely cock slap and underbelly.
No, now he's
Something
just
Chip and
accusing.
Will.
Now he's just accusing.
It's definitely
Got a
Chip and
good
Will.
one, baby.
Because they haven't
Got a
been,
good
they've been
one.
tested 0
Definitely Clint.
times.
Why does that even matter?
Green Mile. Grown-ups.
Clicked by Adams. Yeah, it's definitely underbelly.
No, that's something Max would put.
Max is an underbelly.
No, I'm
Bro,
saying
the
Click by
Coach
Adam
Brown
Sandler is
Gator.
definitely something Gator would cry at.
Yeah, it's definitely Will.
That's definitely Jib and Will.
It's not
Jim
me.
and Will.
You're telling me
It's
I'd
not
be
me. You guys are stupid if you
Yeah,
pick me
goodbye,
up.
Will.
Yeah, it's
See you
me.
in hell.
We'll
We
see
can
ya.
press the button.
Okay, now
That's
they're doing
me.
the thing where they give up one of them so then they can help the other.
So it's definitely Will.
Yep.
Yeah, I'll press the button. I'll
Will and
press the
Jib.
button.
Hmm.
Oh shit.
Yeah, take your time, alien.
You illegal alien. Oh god, this one's hard.
You illegal alien.
Illegal.
Put me in. Oh, there's only
Oh,
two.
it's gotta be cock slap.
Well, because he
It's
put me in.
Yeah,
All right,
it's
somebody
gotta be
describe it.
cock
Somebody give me
slap.
descriptions.
It's gotta be cock slapping Will.
Is nobody gonna
Okay,
describe?
there's one J and one
Unless it's-
backwards J
Unless it's Bean.
with
Bean has
Wait,
been
Will,
talking
is
much.
Will, is there a dot in top
Is it-
right?
and then there's one that looks like a cricket's face with two eyes, and it looks like cricket's eyes.
What's
Where's
the
Wait,
second
Will,
one?
what was the second one?
Alright.
What was the second one?
What does
The
a
second
cricket's
one-
eyes look like?
A J and a backwards J with a dot in the middle. It looks like a cricket's face.
Okay, more than that.
It has
Are
two
the eyes
dots
on
on the
top or
outside.
in the middle?
Wait,
They're-
it's two
they're
dots on
on
the
the-
top?
They're on the
Fuck,
side.
just a
They're on the
cricket
side.
look like.
Okay, I
Or
got it.
or
Like in
a
the-
praying
in the-
mantis. A praying mantis. That's what it looks like too.
I don't even know what this test was.
I got him right.
What
I know I
the?
didn't get him right.
No, Chris, you got him right.
Nah, Chris missed one.
Well, if you're human, shouldn't
Oh
you
wait,
just
no, Chris did get him right. It's definitely
I
Bean.
missed the one.
Bean. Bean
But
and
if
Will.
you're human, shouldn't you get it wrong?
No, you want to get it right. I just fucked up 'cause he said praying mantis. I thought it looked like a bug.
How does that look like a bug? You're so bad at covering up. It's me and
Alright,
Bennett.
send me to space.
It's me and
Alright.
Bennett. Can we press
Alright,
the
it's
button?
Bennett and Will.
Will and Clint.
Someone press the button.
Will
Here, I'll
and Jib.
press the button.
Underbelly and Jib.
It's not me, damn it.
Gator.
I'm
Oh,
telling you the
Push the
truth. It's not me,
Holy-
damn it. I'm
Alright.
telling you the
Don't vote yes
truth.
for this. Will is an alien. Don't vote yes.
Will is an alien.
Okay, so who are we voting?
Wait, how do I put myself in the room?
It's
You
It's
can't
not
put
Will.
yourself in the room,
it's
idiot.
not Will.
Oh.
No, I think it is Will.
Hooray!
Hmm,
Put Jib in there. If you're not an alien, put
Jib.
Jib in there.
Jib.
Put
Jib.
Jib
I'm
in
not
there.
an alien.
Oh, there's something going on here.
Something going on here. No.
See, I'm voting no. I voted no.
I'm dead.
If I was an alien, I would have voted yes.
No, that's what an alien would do.
Oh my god, I would have won the game if I was an alien.
No, but no one else voted yes. You knew
Oh.
that no one else would vote yes.
I
So you had
voted
to play
no.
along.
Oh, drawing quarters.
I feel like
That's
it's
so
definitely
cool.
Chris.
I'm gonna pull a Ryan and say you're making fun of me because I'm intoxicated. Yikes.
Put
Let's
Will.
go, Gator. What?
Alright, let's see what
I
happens.
can't
Evan's been
draw.
quiet. Evan's been quiet.
Evan has been
Evan
quiet.
has been quiet.
Evan's
See if
always
he
been
can draw.
quiet.
Funny.
Holy shit. Everything's blurry. Fuck.
Oh my fucking god.
Come on, stop lagging. Oh, yeah, I'm good.
Hurry up, schmuck.
Jib and underbelly.
It's
Jib and
possible to
underbelly.
undo a
It's
drawing.
not me.
Give me a reason why it's not you.
I'm telling you it's not me.
Oh, okay.
How can
Oh,
we
okay.
trust you?
Why would I
Okay,
lie?
first.
Why would I lie?
Why
Chris,
wouldn't
I'm
you?
an alien.
Like, I don't
I'm
trust
not a
Box
liar.
Slap either.
I'm an alien. Yeah,
Well,
Chris,
if you're a
doing
human
whole
and you're
lot of-
saying an alien, you're
That's
not
right.
helping
You
us.
pointed a lot of
Chris
fingers.
is just. Yeah, exactly.
Aha.
Oh, it's
Oh,
schmuck. It is schmuck.
Unless he got
What is
hacked. No, he
that?
got
Wait,
hacked.
who was Clint?
He got
I
hacked.
think Schmock was going
It's
for the.
schmuck.
No, Will hacked Clint.
Which
What?
one's Clint?
What was the question?
Will hacked
That's
Clint.
definitely my handwriting. It's just wham, judge.
Yeah, but you got hacked, so you got the
I
prompt.
just threw
No, I drew that.
Yeah, I know you drew it, but you got hacked, so you saw the right
What?
prompt. You saw the right prompt, so you got
Chris.
hacked.
No.
Chris, you were trying way too hard, my friend.
I'm not trying hard. I know who this is.
How are you gonna vote for me?
It's
I'm the
schmuck.
one doing the
Schmuck.
right thing.
Hurry up and
Jib for
vote.
sure. This Jib guy is
Guys, there's
absolutely an
hacks.
alien.
There's hacks.
It is not me.
I
Evan
was
got
hacked.
hacked. Evan, did you get
Can I
hacked?
just Can I get thrown off the ship already, please?
Why can I not hit the button, damn it?
I was just trying to draw the Supreme Court.
I'm hitting the button.
Don't vote yes.
I'm telling you, it's Schmock,
It's not Schmuck.
it's
Will in
Schmock, and Underbelly. It's
Oh,
them
no,
two. I
no,
promise. I
Alright,
promise you it's not
It's
me.
gonna be really funny.
Smock off.
It's gonna be really.
Schmock is
Really
definitely.
Smock
It's not me.
It's really funny.
Oh my God, Bean.
Dang, bro. Clint is really trying to get these people off the ship. I
Yeah,
wonder
'cause he's
why.
an alien.
True.
Oh my God, I'm
It's
not an
definitely true.
alien. You're gonna vote me off, and I'm gonna not be an alien, and y'all like, damn, I'm kind of stupid.
It's definitely Clint or Chris. It's me again.
Why is it
Do it
me?
again.
Put him in the
You're
gauntlet.
talking so much.
Who else thinks it's me?
Put him in
I-
the gauntlet.
I think it's fucking Shmave. I know it's Shmave.
Be back in the game. Test
It's
it.
probably
Yes,
Shmave
sir.
and Bean.
Let's
Bean
go.
hasn't been talking.
Yeah, give it to Bean, huh?
Yeah, put Bean in there.
Wow,
What
they're,
in
they're
the
both working. They're
fuck?
both accusing somebody right here.
He's
What
the captain.
in the fuck?
Jib's done.
Wow,
I
you
don't
finished
even-
pretty
I don't
quickly
even
there, Clint.
Yeah,
understand.
dude. Cause I do this anyway.
I don't even understand what the fuck that prompt was.
Yeah, I do this anyway.
I put slow down
Mhm.
because I'd hesitate.
Nah, I continue. It's legal. I keep going. You know me. I got a speeding ticket earlier. Going
That's-
22 over.
Look,
Why are you voting for me?
That's
Stuff with cock
I don't like
slap.
that answer, man.
Cock
That's-
slap is too busy accusing me of being it when he's the
that's
fucking
obviously.
alien.
look.
Cock slap and Shmave, that's the two. Vote them out of here.
You don't
my
know
God.
shit. Test me again.
But we just
get
did
cock
that.
slap and Shmave out
Test
of
me
here.
again. You didn't test me again.
We need to
Maybe
test
you
Shmave
don't-
one more time.
Yeah, with hack.
I think Shmave got hacked. I think Will and Clint are
You got
working
hacked,
together.
guys.
How would we know
Hey,
that we're?
put cock slap and Shmave in there.
I just want to play the game,
Oh,
man.
let's
Put me
see.
in it.
Put
Put me in
cock
there.
slap
Put me
and
in there.
Shmave.
Me in the
Yeah,
game.
I'm going to get the. I don't know,
Put
man.
Jib,
Shmave
Underbelly,
and me.
Game.
Me,
Shmave.
cock slap and Shmave.
No,
Yeah,
not me.
put us
Gator
all
Put
in
Will.
there.
Put Will in there. Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Yeah.
Mark,
Let's take a look here, man. Let's see
Mark,
what
what
we
are
got.
you doing?
Let's see what we got here, man.
Will's
I've got a
laughing.
good
Will's
idea
doing
of
that
who the
conniving laugh.
alien is.
God, I am so
Uh-huh.
lost right
Look
now.
at
I do not
Cockslap
know
taking
who
his
this
time.
is.
Wow. Well, let's see what we have here.
Dude, you guys all sound so
Yeah.
suspicious.
Yeah, boy. These fat nuts. Hey, it is cock slap. I knew it.
It's not me.
Dude.
Oh my God.
Oh my god.
It is
got hacked.
cock
I
slap.
got
That's
hacked.
it.
That's it. Evan to get out of
I'm
here.
pushing the button.
These fat
Hey,
nuts.
Gotta be kidding me.
Shmave cock slap.
You've gotta be
Get him out of
kidding me.
here.
You
Get him
gotta
out
be
of
kidding me.
fucking
Cock
jet.
slap outta here.
One more
You
time.
got
Get
it.
him out of the ship. Get him out of the ship.
I was not in this.
Get him out of the ship.
Smoke
Get him out. Get him out.
Evan.
Get him out.
Oh my God, it's
Get him out
actually
of the
Evan.
You guys are so dumb.
Get him out of here.
It's so
Get him
stupid,
They're done.
Evan.
They're done.
I hate you guys
It's
so much.
Evan.
He's trying to vacuum his face.
Chris.
Get him out.
I hate you
It's
guys
literally
so
Your
much.
Evan.
idea.
him out.
Feel like Mr. in the vacuum.
Oh my god, there's an alien still on this
It's
ship.
Evan, Chris, are you stupid? You're actually retarded.
Me again.
It's fucking
Test me
Evan
again.
and Chris.
I'm gonna get hacked.
I
But
just
test me
want to be
again.
tested. I'm gonna keep
It's
on saying
Evan
no,
and
dude.
Chris, I swear.
Dude, it's literally Chris and Clint. There's no.
No,
I didn't
it
wanna
is
do this
not
one.
me. You're actually
Oh
retarded.
my fucking
I wrote
God.
these fat nuts because they smell horrible. You're retarded.
I don't want to do this stupid.
I didn't want to do this one either. I didn't mean
Been
to.
put in every
I'm
fucking.
not glad you didn't put me in this one.
Alright, let's go.
It's a backwards J and then a one that's like a diagonal line.
Just one backwards
Yeah.
jet. Eyes, obviously.
A J and then a backwards J, but it's not really a J. Okay.
2
Uh-huh.
of those weird lines. What?
Yeah.
Will,
Yeah.
what are you? Why are you playing
I'm
dumb right
following,
now?
Hey, I'm following you.
And the third one is like a half
They're all
circle.
weird lines. I got the last one.
Okay.
That's it.
Can you keep describing the second and first one, please?
No. Holy shit, I have to
What
piss
does
really
that
bad.
mean?
I actually got all these right.
It's like a diagonal line.
Are there any dots on it?
Yeah, and the dot on top, and then the
The
second
very
shape
top?
is 2 of those lines with a dot in the middle.
Let's go.
Okay.
We only have 3 minutes.
I already know who the aliens are, but somebody on the ship
It's
didn't vote them off.
fucking Chris and Evan.
You...
The
Chris,
test has failed.
I fucking got those. I fucking got all those. Look at me, I'm a genius.
Pick that
See,
test.
Actually,
it's fucking
Yeah, we
Will.
definitely
I'm
did
actually a
anything.
genius. Why the fuck are y'all voting me? I got them right.
I don't know.
Yeah, you
That's
got
weird.
hacked. You got
Oh,
hacked to
I
get
did
it
not.
right.
I fucking put those
I'm pushing the
myself,
button.
damn it.
I'm pushing the button.
Oh, you can't fucking vote yourself off, and it's you. Of course, I'm getting put in there because y'all think I'm the fucking alien.
Alright, Chris.
Or the fucking
who are we
alien.
voting for? We're voting for Jit. We're voting
Oh,
for-
see, Evan said, "Hey, Chris, who are we voting for?" It's
Well,
them
who?
two. It's actually these two.
Whoa!
I said
How do you
B.
put him in?
That's-
Slap it in.
It won't let me
Actually,
put him in.
retard.
oh, he's taking one of his own out.
Wow, he's stupid.
Why won't it let me hit it?
Y'all dumb. You don't get to vote. Uh-oh.
Wait, I
Chris
pushed
is
the button.
alien.
Come on.
Nah,
How am I
Evan
in
pushed it
there?
first.
Come on, vote.
Come
yes.
on, Bean, don't
He's
vote.
got the aliens
oh
right here.
my God, you idiot.
I hate you guys.
Oh,
Absolute
It's
fucking
definitely,
fucking
retard.
aliens.
I'm not a
definitely
fucking
Gator.
alien,
We
you
got
fucking
him.
moron.
later, bitches.
Actually, stupid, man.
Will and Evan.
Dumbest shit.
Will and Evan. Oh, it's
my
Max.
God.
Yeah, because Max would have been on my
Not
side.
me.
Max would have been on my side, but it wasn't.
Yeah, see
I
you
hate
in
this
hell.
game,
Let's
man.
go,
I don't like
baby.
playing this one. It's
Targeted
You
Oh,
put me in
my
there
God.
at the start. You put me in the shoot.
Dang. Clint,
I
I
knew it was
apologize.
fucking. I knew it was underbelly.
Obviously not, asshole.
Yeah, I
Are we
knew it was
playing
you,
this
Will.
again?
Will, I knew.
Skip it up and that up.